So he climbs. He's an excellent climber. He can actually turn his back feet 180 to 270 degrees, so he can go up a tree, but also turn around and go face down right back the other way. Unlike a house cat who gets stuck, he can come right back down.
Oh, there you go.
That long tail that he has is only semi-prehensile, so he uses it to kind of balance, stabilize, and he can't really swing. Isn't that cool?
Yeah, they use it so they don't fall over.
Their ears are back and flat. They're probably not so happy. Their ears are up like that. No, they're fine. So she's just saying hello. She very much likes her
Plus 2 make.
It's crazy.
Mama, what 3 plus 2 make?
Lot to mention. So on every area, you're going to see the name of the animal, the type, and then the names are actually people who adopt. So this is me.
That was
That is a real lake.
Murphy figured them out. I don't know. I think not 130 pounds.
Oh, that one's not good.
Oh, there you go. There they go.
That is so badass. Oh, that is cool. That is awesome. You guys are. That is freaky.
Thank you, Pepino.
On the road today, we were at the zoo for my birthday.
Go in there and shave down one of those tigers, which we do not recommend. Those same patterns would be on their skin.
Oh, wow.
Every tiger stripes is individual, kind of like a...
Hey guys, Cole on the road here. It is a blustery winter day in January. It's also Rebecca's birthday, so we'd love it if you left a comment wishing her a happy birthday. We just spent 2 great hours at the animal park at the Conservatory Center in Burlington, North Carolina. For those who haven't been there before, it's a great small animal zoo, mostly with has different types of cats. We saw lions and tigers and lynx and